Life is short. How to use it wisely. Life is short, but most people live as if they had infinite time. Here's the reality. The average human only lives for about 30,000 days. That's it. Think about this. If you're 30 years old, you've already used up 11,000 of those days. Gone. Irrevocably. I'll do it someday. But someday is a dangerous word. It makes you think you have all the time in the world. In the next few minutes, you'll discover powerful strategies for giving meaning to your time, not just managing it, but truly living it. These aren't generic time management tips. They are profound truths about how life really works, perception of time and psychology. Time plays tricks on your mind, and understanding these tricks is the first step to mastering it. Remember when you were a child, summer seemed endless. A single day could seem to last a week. Today, the years fly by like months. This is the paradox of time units. And it's not just an impression, it's how your brain works. Science. Your brain measures time by recording new experiences. As a child, everything was new. Your brain was constantly recording, which slowed down your perception of time. As an adult, routines make the days blur together. Same breakfast, same commute, same TV shows. Your brain literally stops recording these moments. Just another normal day, stuck in your comfort zone. This is the trap of temporal blindness. But you can hack the system, change your route, learn a new skill every month, talk to strangers. Each new experience forces your brain to pay attention, and time expands again. And here's the big mistake. We constantly overestimate what we can do in a day and massively underestimate what we can accomplish in a year. That's why so many people give up too soon. Managing priorities. Many people confuse being busy with being productive. They fill their days with tasks that seem important but aren't really. A powerful tool. The deathbed test. Imagine yourself at 90, looking back on your life. Will you care about that extra hour at the office or the time spent with your family? Suddenly, priorities become clear. I'll finish this report first. Meanwhile, the real priorities slip away, one day after another. What high achievers know? Knowing what not to do is often more valuable than knowing what to do. This is the to-list strategy. Write down everything you want to accomplish. Circle the 3 most important items. Everything else? That's your avoid list. Think of compound interest, but for your life choices. Small daily investments in the right priorities multiply over time. The trap. Social media, busy work, and distractions that steal your attention from what really matters. The solution. Ruthlessly eliminate the non-essential. Your time is too precious for anything else. Relationship dynamics. Relationships work like bank accounts. Every interaction is a deposit or withdrawal. Sincere compliment equals deposit. Repeated tardiness equals withdrawal. And just like at the bank, you can't withdraw if you haven't deposited. I don't understand why they're upset. I only contact them when I need something. That's the problem. Many people rely on grand gestures, expensive gifts, big celebrations. The truth is, small daily deposits matter more. A message to check in, remembering details, being there in difficult times. Counterintuitive. Shared suffering creates stronger bonds than simply shared pleasure. Going through trials together brings people closer than just good times. Don't ignore your weak ties, acquaintances, distant friends. They are bridges to new opportunities, ideas, and perspectives. Strong ties comfort you. Weak ties make you grow. Want to expand your sense of time? Help others. The ultimate paradox. Giving time makes you feel like you have more of it. Career and meaning. Your best career opportunities lie just outside your comfort zone. It's the adjacent possible, the sweet spot between what you know and what you could learn. I have to stay on track. That's exactly how careers become stagnant. Major mistake, optimizing money too early. In your 20s and early 30s, optimize learning. Every new skill is a lottery ticket for future opportunities. Money follows knowledge. Forget the career ladder, it's a trap. Modern career paths resemble structures where you move sideways, diagonally, sometimes backwards. Each move builds a mix of skills that makes you irreplaceable. This job is comfortable, but comfort is quicksand. The longer you stay in an outdated role, the harder it is to leave. Secret. Practice productive procrastination. When you avoid a task, channel that energy into learning something new. Your procrastination projects often reveal your true passion, health and vitality. Health isn't just about living longer, It's a life multiplier. Everything else improves or suffers depending on your health. Period. Would you rather have 8 energized hours or 12 exhausting hours? Energy matters more than time. I'll sleep when I'm dead. Wrong. Sleep isn't just rest. It's the brain's superpower. Without it, your decisions are as good as those of a drunk person. Promotion, relationship. Everything depends on a brain in top form. Another truth? There's your morning self and your evening self. The morning plans, the evening must execute. Don't let your morning self be a tyrant. Tip: micro workouts. 10 push-ups here, a short walk there, 5 minutes of stretching. These movements add up. The body is made to move, not to sit for 8 hours. Remember, physical movement creates mental clarity. Stuck? Move, and the solution will come. Learning and growth. Want to learn faster? Teach it to someone else. This is the teacher effect. Explaining forces the brain to understand in depth. I'm not ready to teach. Actually, you are. Your difficulties make you a better teacher than an expert. You remember what's tricky. Hack: read biographies. Each one condenses a whole life into a few hours. To avoid mistakes, learn from those who have already made them. Many people want to be good at everything. The smartest ones deliberately stay bad at certain subjects. Deliberate amateurism. It keeps the brain flexible and the ego calm. Constraints are not the enemy. They are superpowers. Limited time, money, resources. Perfect. It forces you to be creative. Key skill: knowing when to stop. Strategic renunciation is not failure. It's making room for better opportunities. Quickly leave behind what doesn't serve your growth. Emotional intelligence. Your emotions have a timer. Molecules of anger, fear, and frustration last about 90 seconds in the body. After that, you choose to stay there. I can't help it. In fact, you don't control the first wave, but you do control the second. Think of emotional regulation as a superpower. IQ gets you a job. Regulation gets you a promotion. We trust those who remain calm in chaos. Many hide their vulnerability. The smart ones use it strategically. Showing the right amount at the right time creates more trust than displaying perfection. Costly mistake: avoiding difficult conversations. It's like reverse compound interest. The longer you wait, the more emotional debt you accumulate. A small problem ignored grows bigger every day. And gratitude? No, it's not just feel good. Unexpressed gratitude is like money in a frozen account. Use it or lose it. Financial wisdom. Money isn't just numbers in an account, it's your freedom of time. Little known truth: earning more often makes you poorer in terms of time. When income rises, lifestyle expands. Bigger house, maintenance, luxury car, worries. Better neighborhood, longer commute. Finally, I can afford everything. Trap. Lifestyle inflation is like running on a treadmill. You get exhausted, but you don't get anywhere. Think about temporal wealth. Would you rather have $100,000 per 80 hours per week or $70,000 per 30 hours? Your real hourly rate includes everything you sacrifice. Many people buy objects but rent experiences. Smart people rent objects and buy experiences. Experiences increase in value. Objects depreciate. Ultimate skill: create margins. Living below your means is not deprivation. It's creating space for opportunities. That space is your ticket to true wealth. Living your creativity. Creativity doesn't wait for inspiration. It works like a faucet. At first, it's rusty water, your bad ideas. You need them to flush out the good ones. I'm waiting for the perfect idea. It's like waiting for the water to run clear without turning on the faucet. You have to push through the rust. Counterintuitive. Creativity loves constraints. Unlimited options, paralysis, limited options, ingenuity. Shakespeare wrote under strict constraints. They stimulated his creativity. Most people try to create and judge at the same time, like accelerating and braking simultaneously. Create first, judge later. Document everything you create. The brain is a creative muscle. It needs to see its progress. Your first failed attempts, proof of your improvement. Secret: combine skills that no one else combines. This unique intersection is your creative superpower. Personal energy. Your energy is your most precious resource. Time management is useless without energy management. It's impossible to do meaningful work when your reserves are empty. Few people monitor their energy levels. Some activities give you energy, others drain it. A morning walk equals a boost. A toxic relationship equals an energy vampire. I need more willpower. Willpower is a muscle. It gets tired. Smart people don't rely on it. They design their environment to make good choices automatic. Think about decision fatigue. Every choice costs energy: clothes, meals, exercise. That's why we have routines. Same clothes, same breakfast, to save energy for what matters. Hack: strategic incompetence. Being deliberately bad at non-essential tasks means that others will stop giving them to you. You save your energy for your best work. Remember, recovery is not a waste of time. It's what multiplies the value of your time. Social capital. Success isn't just about what you know, it's about who you know. But true social capital isn't just about collecting business cards or LinkedIn connections. It's about authentic relationships. The simple formula for friendship: time plus vulnerability plus shared experiences. You can't shortcut any of these elements. I don't have time to network. You're missing out. True networking isn't about it's about connecting. The best people aren't collectors, they're connectors. They introduce people who should know each other. Most people underinvest in maintaining friendships. They wait for big events to reconnect. But strong bonds are built in small moments. A message, a quick coffee. Think of the community as a garden. You don't plant everything at once and hope it grows. It takes small, consistent gestures. Every conversation is water, every connection is fertilizer. The most successful people cultivate their community before they need it, because when you need it, it's too late to build it. Mental models. Mental models are shortcuts for understanding reality, but the map is not the territory. Your models are simpler than reality, both a strength and a weakness. Many people only see what is in front of them. They play checkers when life is playing chess. Second-order analysis is your asset. Don't just ask what happens next, but what happens after what happens next. The choice is obvious. Obvious to whom? Your mental map may be missing a crucial piece of territory, hence the value of multiple perspectives, not only useful, but essential. Powerful truth: knowledge is not power. Understanding is. Knowing that a tomato is a fruit is knowledge. Not putting it in a fruit salad is understanding. Many people collect facts. Smart people recognize patterns. Think about the reversal. Instead of "how do I solve this problem?" ask "how do I create it?" Sometimes the solution is to stop the cause. Life design. Your life doesn't just happen to you, you design it. Think of it as a portfolio, not just of money, but of experiences, relationships, skills, dreams. We overestimate planning and underestimate testing. Life design isn't about making perfect plans. It's about launching small experiments to see what works for you. I have to understand everything first. Reversed. You don't think about your ideal life, you test it. Often tiny changes, massive impact. Want to transform yourself? Change one thing for 5 minutes. This small gain creates momentum for bigger changes. Choose your metrics. Many people measure their lives by social standards: money, status, possessions. What if you defined your own metrics? Time with family, skills learned, helping others. Monthly life reviews are not optional. They catch problems while they are still small. A monthly review prevents annual regrets. Conclusion: giving weight to the hours you have. All the principles we've looked at, from perceiving time to building relationships, from managing energy to designing your life, fit together to create a life worth living. Remember, time will pass whether you use it well or not. Your habits become your days become your years become your life. Start small. Choose an idea that resonates with you. Test it, refine it, make it your own. The best time to live life to the fullest is not someday, it's today.